How to add an FAQ section in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add an FAQ specific section into your Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very simple and very easy. You're going to head over hostinger.com, then you're going to sign in into your H panel or Hostinger panel, which is going to be the dashboard. Now, once you have signed in, you are going to have this specific dashboard or landing page. We're going to head over the left side of the screen always. We're going to have here the websites. We're going to select from these elements websites list. Now we are going to see all the websites that we have created. Make sure that you are going to check up the icon of the Hostinger builder or website builder, which is going to be here and not the W, because the W is going to be for the WordPress. So here we're going to click on edit site and wait for the Hostinger website builder to load up. Now we are going to see the design of our website, and from here we are going to add a specific section. The FAQ section is obviously, as the name of it says, it is going to be FAQ section, and it is going to be set up or found on the sections. We're going to scroll down a little bit, and normally we are going to have the FAQ section added before the end of the website. That means the footer. I'm going to add it in here. So we are going to have the interline between the two sections. So that interline will allow us to add a section in between. So I'm going to add it in here. Now I'm going to scroll down between the sections that we have until I see or read FAQ. So here we have the FAQ. We have one, two, three, four, five type of FAQ sections. We have this one, which is going to be only one-sided or a part of the section showing as sections. We have this one, which is going to be the left side or the left put or aligned sections, FAQ. And we have this one, which is going to have two columns, and this one also like that. So we are going to select one of these. I'm going to put this because it will not take a lot of space from us, and also it has two columns. So we are going to make it a little bit here space filling. So I'm going to have the, as you can see here, the title. I'm not liking it like this, so I'm going to make it a little bit small. So if title is going to be having this, we cannot move it. But if I am going to make it a little bit smaller, I can move it around to the middle. So here you can see that we have the FAQs or the frequently asked questions. So we can go ahead and modify the questions and also the response or the answers. So based on the uh, standard FAQ setup, you can go ahead and see that you have some help in here. It will help you and give you some words or setup words or installation of words that you can go ahead and change and put it as yours. And with that, we have set up everything. So you can modify the text, also the spaces in here. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.